if it's going to be allowed to expire. We're kind of on the cusp with that. Wouldn't you agree, Jeff, that we're just going to have to wait and see what's going to happen? But again, southeastern Point Capee under that tornado warning, northwestern Iberville, northwestern East Baton Rouge Parish, southwestern East Feliciana, southeastern West Feliciana, and West Baton Rouge parishes under that tornado warning for at least another 5 minutes or so until 8:15. We still do have that other one to the north. Is that correct, Jeff? It's still up until 8:30, I believe.
Correct,
and that's
yes.
the one that is inclusive of southeastern Wilkinson. That's for our friends and neighbors in Mississippi, because they're under the gun. They have been this morning. West Feliciana and a portion of Point Capee Parish.
I think it's very likely that once we hit 8:15, this warning will be extended. So we're probably going to see that warning to the south go for a little bit longer. So we're going to continue to watch that.
And I suppose I should know better. But I should really know better than for us both to stay up all night. All night. We stayed up all night watching tornadoes. Oops. You know, because floating houses and car wrecks got boring. And politics and whatnot. So. I think that's the one I fell asleep on the couch to, or started falling asleep on the couch to. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But anyways, let's go see how it looks outside. I knew this would happen.
Yeah, I did too. As soon as we were watching these videos, the thought crossed my mind. All of a sudden we're watching all these tornado videos. Wonder what's gonna happen here next.
So you've been watching the channel. Okay. Alright. So, nothing eventful just yet. Good Scottish weather. The rain is falling straight down, slightly to the side like. Hello. I think it's high time you released all that energy. Release. Settle down, Jeebus. Don't soil your britches. So, I think there's something over there.